Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Rocky Road ice cream, step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Whisk these together in a saucepan. Gently heat the mixture until it thickens slightly, then remove it from the heat. It is crucial to chill this base completely for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure the best texture. Now it is time to churn your ice cream base. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen solid for at least 24 hours. This is vital for proper churning. Carefully pour the completely chilled base into the frozen bowl. Let your ice cream maker work its magic for about 20 to 30 minutes. You are looking for a consistency similar to soft serve ice cream, which indicates it is ready for the next step. This is where the Rocky Road magic happens. Prepare your delicious mix-ins: 1 cup of mini marshmallows, 1 cup of chopped roasted almonds, and 1 cup of chocolate chunks. Once your ice cream is churned to a soft serve consistency, gently fold these ingredients in. Use a spatula to ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This step guarantees that every spoonful will have that perfect balance of textures and flavors. Almost there. Once your mix-ins are thoroughly incorporated, transfer the ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container. Make sure it has a tight-fitting lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it is completely firm. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop and enjoy. Enjoy your homemade Rocky Road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.